Hi, folks. How's everybody doing? Alright, let add some color to me. Otherwise, I'm just a white blob on the screen. Let's put myself a little bit darker. I might need to put something around me, but I'm not going to do that. So, how are things, guys? Everybody alright? Hello? So, yeah, tonight we are actually going to make this teleport system to work. I hope so, at least. And then we're going to have some fun, I guess. But I will tell you, ChatGTP is actually a dumbass. Regards, yeah, with scripts or these type of scripts. So I hope actually he is going to be a really good guy for us today. We might need to set up, might a little bit different. But yeah, everything will be okay, I think. But yeah, let's do that. So how are you guys? Everybody alright on the chat? Is everything alright on your side? My birds are agreeing. So there's a few things what I don't like. Is this whole blob thing. Wait, I actually want to have it to work, but somehow it doesn't work. Um, so I'm kind of curious where the problem is. And I simply don't know it because at the moment my code is a spaghetti. I'm not quite happy on the results on how that is. I actually really hate this. It's kind of too bright to me. I really don't like that. But the things that I actually want to work is everything, basically. So I really need to see what I'm doing wrong. Or at least the AI is doing wrong. Because, yeah, I'm not a script guy. So yeah, that will be a really a fun thing. I'm just checking something out, guys. Hold on. My window. Twitch is acting weird again. Yeah, I have actually two screens, two chat streams, windows. But some are not really functioning properly. I think there is an issue with the Twitch pop-up window. And I cannot see what is. I don't know. So let's see what we have. What we're going to do is let me play for a bit. I need to see that this is working again. So that's working. Only not that. So I'm quite depressed on how it goes on scripting. I really don't know how to let that stuff to work. So I really need to see where it is broken, and that I can understand the scripting a little bit. Now I know I actually want this. Um, so up and down that you can use, yeah, a keyboard function. So that's actually what I really want to have. It's only that I don't like this section is highlight the selected button. It's also because yeah, this is just really white, and the other one is that crazy color of um, blue. So I don't really like that. I might need to change that. Further than that, I kind of like it. The only thing what I really want to do is get this to work because yeah, how this code is set up is actually very easy. When you select the button, I actually go in game, so that makes it a little bit easier to say. So let's open the teleport. Now you have the start area. Well, that's here behind. I mean, that's here. That's this block here. And so when I'm pressing on start area, I should go here. The reason why I want to have it there is easy access and that kind of things. So to have that to work. And to work, it's really the next thing because I really want this to work. And so I'm kind of curious on why it is not functioning and why it is just acting like an asshole. Um, because the name of the button, what you see here in the starter GUI on the teleport system in here, that stands for yeah, that is standing for the place where I going, what you can go to, like the lobby. That's the place here. This part is named lobby as well, and that is how I say that is connected to each other on one way. But the only thing is that is not working, and I have really no clue why. Um, so I'm kinda curious what happened and how and why. Because I really want to have this to work because actually I love this. Uh, this is my first ever created UI uh, on a serious note. Although my my route mechanic was also pretty serious. But yeah, I actually want to work that I am going to teleport to those parts. I still need to see how I'm going to do that. I have a solution, it's not very clean. But I need to see at least on GTP. We might need to change everything in there. So let's do that. What's this? Oh wait, that's the arrow. I feel really, really, really. Or colors. Wait. I'm not sure what he's going to say. Retry? All right. Error message. Do we have a mistake today? I hope this is actually working because that will be very helpful. So I really wonder, is this also with this can work? I uh, I actually asked this. That's crazy. The controllers can go up and down in that menu. Oh, that teleport. All right, it will be funny. Retry. he, he is still using. He's still using that background color. You see that? He's still using that button over there. Actually, he's not doing it wrong. I think he's adding a little bit more than last time. Nah, I don't need that. But I love that. So he is saying, the controller guy, he adds a ton more stuff than what he's saying, than he's doing right now. So I kind of like this system. He's doing this already a little bit different. This one. Perfect. I like that. I still need to... I kind of like this one. Background color of a button. Light up. I kind of agree with that. I kind of forgot what the color button is. So let's see that I can find that. Um, I need to see a color somewhere. Alright, that's fun. I actually want to see that. Let's enable this for now. I want to see what I'm doing there. Let's enable that. Oh, it's green. Alright. Lobby. It's this, actually. I want to keep it a little bit the same, if you don't, you know what I'm saying? Or at least the other ones. Let's go to the script again, and let's... I wish they do that differently. I'm fine with that. I'm kind of used to this. I must be honest on that too. So we use the same color for this as highlighted. We're going to go for this. We are going to make this a little bit more darker. It was kind of like that. So let's make this a little bit more darker. Like that. So we know which one is selected. Alright, let's do that. I actually want to see how it looks like. So let's do that. Oh, I can actually... No. That's actually very wrong. Start area. Then he's doing two corner. Then tell it... How's he that doing? So we start at the lobby. There's this one. One is corner. There's this one. There's this one. Why he is doing that? So we need to work on that one. I'm still thinking what he is doing there. I don't know what he is doing. There's already a +1. Am I okay for deleting that? So it's not them. So that's crazy. I need to ask for only kind of crazy how things work, guys. A network problem? Wow. I'm still gonna change this, but Sometimes I really wonder how smart those guys are. Is he done writing? So let's do that again. Now I need to simulate. Uh, can I do that? All right. Why are you doing this then? All right. Let's get rid of these. Uh, I mean, that's not working now. That's an easy fix. I'm just looking for why the hell can I change my stuff? Model? Dear Roblox, what the hell did you put the stuff for live stream for testing? Do I really need to go in here? Really? Uh huh. This is just crazy, guys. Can can I please? I'm playing live here. So I would kind of love to change my input? I mean, only if I can find it. What? Where did I put everything? Just crazy, guys. I don't see it. Huh. So I really try to see where's the control? I mean, I'm here in game. But is that this? No, it's an image. So this is nuts, guys. More menu. Alright. Capture report. Control. Oh, line 40? So he is saying something on line 40. Well, that's working. I just... Where in the hell is the controller options in here? I mean... God. It, so you made the whole thing. You read... Actually, you redo the whole thing here. And one simple thing you forgot to add is actually when you are testing, and that you forgot the whole thing. Yeah, that's smart, man. I mean, I don't want to be an asshole, but that's actually terrible. So yeah, I'm going to disable this beta feature because I actually need the other one. Although I must say I kind of like the look, but if I'll be honest, it is not good. So I'm feeling that there still need to be a ton of things done when they created this. I mean, because if I do play now, let me open. I see on 43, I see a handler that's not good. So let's fix that and let's go to the server. That's okay by me. Now I can actually do test and I can actually emulate a controller. Wait, well, I can still jump. Well, that's fine. Oh, that's the cam. Uh, that's crazy. It should be go away. So that's not going to work. But the controller setup is actually nice. That's kind of why I went to this. Let's get this. Let's get this to work. Let's do it officially. I still think I'm doing it correctly, but That also on 43? Well, that's good. So why is that wrong? I don't get it. That's actually perfect. I had it to work, so ah, I don't like that. I don't know what's going on here, but uh, I'm going to do totally different, guys. Yeah, this is actually a menu, and I don't like menus in general, but I had it to work yesterday, and I kind of forgot how. Uh, so yeah, I'm very happy. But I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to do it totally differently now. Workspace. Screen. Start UI. Not workspace. I don't need that now. I'm just going to totally do it differently now. I get a little bit sick of this stuff. Uh, Teleport system. Yep, I need to do a little bit of scripting, guys. And remember, I'm not a guy that do normally scripting. So we actually love that stuff. Close button. Now I know it's definitely working. How are you, buddy, by the way? Side decky? Eh, no. Start. No, I did starter. Starter. Well, as you can see, I can control my anger. But besides that, I'm doing actually really good. It's always player UI, isn't it? I kind of correct. Why it is actually player UI? I actually never understand that. Oh, I will get it to work, guys. Don't worry. Where is that dude? You did that already, guy. I mean, I don't want to be a dickhead, but I mean, I mean, I don't want to be a dickhead on that one, but dude, that's a local script, right? If I'm not mistaken. All right, play. I just want to have it to work, so. So that worked. Now I need the other things to work. Do I like it? No, I need to do a little bit of an overhaul. Oh, that's working. That's working. Now I need to go up a ton of things. Like I said, a ton of things. A ton of things. I don't need that. I have that already. Remember. Dude. I, I mean, how smart is he? How smart is that guy? Actually, I think he's doing this a little wrong though. Can it be named like this? Yes! Good! Good! Yes! Please. I think I messed up this one, so. Yeah, I messed up this one. Look, this is a lot cleaner than that thing. I think the. No! I did something wrong there, guys. You saw it. Because I'm playing live. Of course, we cannot see that. The cleaner one. I think actually that everything is working right now. If I'll be honest. I did not change much actually. Oh wait, I forgot. I forgot something. Yes, guys, I forgot something. No, I need to go up. Up. The what? What? Is he nuts? Yeah, I can actually close. I can actually close that one very easy, so that's not really a problem. But I mean, I, 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 I'm just really. Yeah, I had that one already. Thank you. Oh, bloody hell. I mean, come on. Really? I, I, yeah, I, I don't say anything anymore, guys, because. I mean. Oh, wait. That makes it easier. And I don't need to do that again. Like I said, I'm not a great guy with doing that, but when something is working, I'm actually I'm going to be very, very happy if that is working. So let's test this. Ah, yes! Ah, itchy! Buddy! What's up, dude? That's working. Ah, why did I make it so complex? Do I still need to do this? I mean, I think I can just kill this. I think. Can I? I think I can. And now I forgot that it is actually not work. Oh, wait. That worked. Oh man, I kind of hate this stuff, but it's working, man. Yeah, I'm not sure how that works, but I'm already happy that I got this. Look at this. This works. This works. I mean, guys, this is actually workable. I need to open with a controller as well. So, we need to test this as well with a controller. Did I did this with A? And I know that B's worked. B is also not working. But the A button is actually working, so I'm already happy that my teleport is working. Now I need to add more things to it. That is actually, whoa, shit. I need to make that D-pad is actually working too. So, we need to optimize this script. I'm actually closing this shit. I actually want to have, oh man, I kind of forgot what it is. Oh, I need to have this as X. Otherwise, it's not working. Although the button thing was kinda was really working, but I'm doing that actually here. E is working, and we need to have X for that, because A is actually jumping. So let's not do that. So that's fine. I believe that one. I am actually happy that's working, guys. I will tell you guys. I'm actually really, really. I actually love it. No, that can be A. I mean, that's not really a problem. That is actually not working. So he really need to see what's going wrong there. Because if you are on PC, you use your mouse anyway. So that's the thing. Next, I need to make. My teleporting is working. Um, I need to do more AI UI stuff. I need to get a skill window, but I'm the skill menu thing. So the next thing will be that for opening that actually. I also need to make a prompt on there to show people what is actually going on there. Uh, so yeah, I'm very happy with that actually. But oh man, I need to do a ton of UI first, and data storage, and everything before I continue with everything. I don't like that. I don't like that because there's a ton of work. I'm already happy that my teleport button is working. And actually, and I will tell you guys, the facing is not bad where people are facing to, so I'm quite happy about that. So I'm quite happy with that. The only thing what we need to change is that the D-pad is actually working, and that 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 is uh, that is specific only for a gamepad, because if the menu is fired up, that means he needs to stand still. The problem is with the script. When you need the thumb stick or a D-pad, you are moving in the world, so best that we cannot move while we are in that menu. Also, and now I forgot what I wanted to write. That's not smart. That's not really smart. Oh yeah. Open the. We open the teleport menu. The first button needs to be selected first, so we can use the controller for going up and down. I don't like this. I really don't like this. But I need to do it. I'm still using the other stuff. Oh well. He's not listening. I think I said also the Fantastic. Thanks for the reminder. My lord. No, I actually need to work on a ton of stuff, EG. I need to make the skill windows. I need to make the shop window. I need to make everything work. I need to make in-game currency. I need to make an in-game point system. So I am not done yet, and that needs to work with the leaderboards on that island. So no, I'm not very happy. I'm really not going to happy. Ah, I cannot use it. I cannot use it. Yes, I cannot do it yet. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Ooh, might I be lucky, guys? I might be lucky. I might be lucky with that. I might be lucky with that. I really might be lucky with that. Do I have that button thing? Oh, there's this. Yes. 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 This is good. This can be good. Let's point it out like that. There's a lot more code. Alright. I don't mind. I need to do that later. This one I need to replace. So I'm glad I still have the other ones. I'm still really happy on that. For button order is spot 1 2 replace. Yes, thank you. Good. So on that way I can actually fix the layout a little bit. Because I was selecting it and it was not going on the right way. So that was actually happening. So yeah, that's not correct. Yeah, that's not really correct. Because this is actually what I have, and this is the correct way actually. Because this is kind of how I wanted to have it. So yeah. That sounds really, really wrong, if I be honest. Alright, I want to do this. I want to start with the lobby. That's the most important thing. Let's do the leaderboard island as second. Leaderboard. Leaderboards, sorry. Free. I don't care what free is actually. I mean, leaderboards. I think this is actually really a good thing, actually. Let's do first. I 1. This is 1. The tele. Let's copy this a bunch of time. Actually, I need to get into that. That makes my life easier. What do I need to have now? Spot. Now, on this way, the ordering with selections is actually more working now. That's kind of why I did that, actually. Because I noticed when I did that on the old one, that wasn't really working. Sorry. Sorry. I said sorry, guys. And we have the close button. And that's that. And I think that works absolutely good. Alright, let's add a controller in there. Mapping. Thank you. So let's open X. So I'm actually using... Is that going up and down, guys? Oh, wait, it does. That works? Hey. He is dismissing that one. That's not correct. Why he is missing that one? A was for confirmation. Oh, there was jump. Ah, well, it is working, so I'm not really complaining. So let's play. That works. Oh, that worked. Now I still wonder why that dude is not doing. He is still skipping that one. I really, really don't like that. So if I do this, is it still working? He is skipping the tailor spot 1. I I do not get I don't get it. Why is he doing that? So you need to use the D-pad. Fine. He is missing this one. And the thing is, I cannot do anything because I cannot. Something is wrong with the script, but I don't know why. I need to see what is going on there. Let's let's do this first. I want to make it beautiful. Is it wrong order? Yep, I did. Needs to be different. Oops. He said also the anchor points. He said that too. I think this is a lot better. I'm still happy that I have this in there. I'm not say I prefer this response because now I have actually so I can actually have this. So let's do this different. Because that's basically what we need to do there. I need to find. Let me close this for a bit. Uh, so that works. Yeah. If I go down, it will be spot one tele. Corner. That's actually not correct. It is working, so I cannot say it is not working bad. The only thing he is skipping a lot, guys. That is the whole thing, guys. I'm not sure what's going on there. I'm going to be totally honest. I just wanna. Uh, I need to wait for next morning for getting a better result. Or I just copy everything and say, okay, well, this is happening, and that's not working. I have also another UI AI that works with it that actually works. So, uh, the spot one was actually really good. I must say. Yeah, I must say this one was working better. So I want to have that back. That is the whole thing. That was actually no. I need to change this then, but let's copy this for a second. So that is actually working. And let's add this back. But I also need to include the close button, sadly. So I'm not very happy about that. Otherwise, it's not working, guys. So that's the whole thing. And I'm not very happy about that, but that's the only way. So that works. Let's copy this. Everything works. Let's close this one here. And I just going to open the chat for a bit. Script for roblox. Everything works, but I have ordered my buttons, and still he skips a button. What? Yeah, this guy is not bad, guys. I had actually really good results with this. I really had really have good results with this. Yeah, I need to have X. I actually need to. I need to do this better, guys. Does he kept my colors? He did. That's good. All right, so that works. I hope. That's why I have always more AIs. I hope that this is working. I hope so, actually. So that's actually working. B, that is working. Actually, I'm going to put this as X. That is more working. And use that gamepad 1. I'm actually going to do that gamepad in general. So everything is just working. You still miss something over there? I mean, he is very spotty. I actually feel that this is going to work. Oh, you see enabled this one already. So this is that. Let me close this for a bit. So let's input that mapping correct. Let's press X. um, I think something is not working, but I think also because this one is enabled. So let's press. How is that even possible? I mean, I actually unlocked this. Easy working, guys. The only thing what is not working is this. No. Oh, really? Okay. I know enough. So Alright. He skips one button. Well, that works. Problem is, I have 7 buttons, but use only 6 buttons in the menu with going up and down the menu with controller. I mean, it works actually really good, guys. So I'm really happy with this. Huh? Alright. Yeah, I want this to work, so I really want to have this to work, so I'm just trying things out. If it's working, hey, I'm totally fine. So the only thing what I don't like, I need to press I to use it. That's not very good. Why is skipping this? I don't get it. I really don't get it. The rest is really working fine. But he is still doing it. He is still doing it, guys. So what was he skipping again? Um I don't understand that. He is actually really good. So let's try this again. But I must say we are getting faster. We're getting kind of where we are now. So that's actually really good. I don't like that I need to use the button I for making a selection. So yeah, I don't really like that, but oh. I really hope that it will fix, guys. I got a bit messed up on this. I found it kind of crazy, guys. I found it quite weird. Yeah, I need to make it a little bit lighter or something so that you see that it's selected. So that's going to be okay. But I must say, I I really say, guys, that this script is actually doing more than that the chat GTP did. So on that case, we are just trying to refine this because we need to have this one again on another on another stuff. So we have soon a ton of things. I'm thirsty as hell, guys. Yeah, I did not drink too many times this day, so I think I I had just 2 liters something. Yeah, that's not enough with my weight. Let's see what is saying. Let's see what is saying, guys. Oh, I'm still there. No problem. The thing is, I actually do not something wrong. That is the whole shitty thing. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. A state? Really? Oh, I don't want to use that there. Alright. Really? Why not? I mean, oh wait, I see it already. Yeah, I think I see it already, guys. I feel kind of like a dumbass. Welcome back, T. Yep, everything is there, buddy. You can actually press E as well if you want that. But everything is working, so like I said, everything is working. I got it to work, man. Yes. The only downside is I need to add a ton. I might need to add an order of this, but then vertical. So when I click on going to the menu, I think I need to add a menu, I think. And I don't want to do that. But that's the only thing how I can do it. Yeah, I am, man. I'm using two AIs for for getting what I wanted. I mean that's fucking crazy, man. But I'm actually happy that this is working. And he's even on the right, he's even on the right side too. Because if I'm teleporting, do I actually face the correct ones? Oh, I only need to change a little bit the button. Yeah, that's good. I'm quite happy. Oh man. Oh. I was looking at this and I was kind of like, oh, hold on. I made a mistake over there. And I was kind of like, no, please. So yeah, what color is this? Oh wait, that's the same red. Yeah, that's never working. I mean, fuck that. How can I see? How can I see then that something is working? I mean, I don't want to be a jackass, but something like this. Hey, yeah, man. Of course. Hey, man. I will cancel a stream for that. If we can have a little bit of a conversation, buddy. And I really mean that. I don't care, buddy. Oh, I really mean that. Now, I have another problem too. Uh, I'm gonna make it more complex. Is it worth it? Uh, might. But I think I need to. I need to make a menu button. And that menu button is taking you to a total different window. And from there, you can actually go to the teleport system. Then you go to skills. And there you can go to other things. The only thing is, and that's the thing. I know Roblox guys don't want to see that because they don't like to go into menus too much. So I'm kinda in a debate on where and how I'm going to use it. Uh, Now I'm already happy with this. I mean, I'll be honest. I'm already happy that this is working. I don't care what the rest is. This is actually freaking working. Look at this. Hey, what's up, man? I want to say long time no see, but that's yesterday. Yeah, man, I got this to work, man. That worked? Oh. Um. He's not going off. We need to fix that. He's go dark. But that is working, guys. Yep, it's actually really working. I love that. So, we are not done yet with the AI. Alrighty. Say ah, non-existent. Ah. Sometimes they just say X or something like that, you know. Alright, we having another problem. We are having another problem. And script is working. But after coming on the plus button and background color changed that it is selected, it do not go back to the original color when I go to another button. Sure. You actually see my name over there. Novalirium Games with an underscore. You see that here. That's my name. I have more characters. I have a character that I play with, and I have a character where I build with. So just for safety. She's still writing. Can I keep the original one? All right. I'm not even going to check what that is work, yes or no. I'm quite happy that this worked. I mean, jeez. Only downside is I don't like that I use things on different way. I might need to do this a little bit different, I guess. But I like that I have support of this. So I'm quite happy with that. X is for showing this. I might need to put this one a little bit more higher. I must be honest on that. Because it's kinda close, you know, to that. To the edge. Yes, man. Yes, it works. This works. This works really good. I might need to make it a little bit more darker though, because it's red. It can be a little bit, again, too black. But that works, guys. Can I press I to confirm? And B to go away? I don't really need that, but I think I will erase the B so I can actually use that for other stuff. So that's actually this is good, guys. This is actually really good. This works. That means we can go back to designing the other stuff. And we need to solve this problem for another way. I don't like that, but I might need to use a jump on another way, but that A button for jump is kinda the basic thing. And interaction, I need to do that also with A basically. So jump actually need to move to X. And A is for activating things. So I really need to do that, and I know precisely where I need to do that. So that's not really a big issue, but the thing is, guys, it's actually working. So if I press X, let's go to the most far point on the map. That's this one, I guess. Let's select I. There you go. I actually want to come back. So let's go back under. Let's go to start area again. I actually want to do that with A. Only A is also disabled jumping. So I need to do that as well because I really want that add A to it. So that's actually good, guys. I love this. I actually love this. So let's make those controllers a little bit good. Let's see. Let's see what. Well, this is working now. I'm freaking happy. I'm really happy, guys, at the moment. I'm really happy about this. So, yeah. I did not expect this. Only it took me a little bit of time. That's the only thing, but yeah, that works. I have it also on this one, so I have it doubled, but I think I can actually can I disable this? Uh cut for a bit. And let's press play. Because if that one is handled in that, I don't need to do anything. It it does. So no, so I actually need to have that one there. So let's put that one back. Oh wait. So I actually need to have that button script. I need to disable jump in here. So we need to say this is working, guys. This is Lechet Mistral AI. I actually love that guy. I will actually. Oh shit. Yeah, this is actually really good, guys. I actually love this one. He's quite good. He's quite good. Flint is also a good one. ChatGTP on certain things, he is actually really nice. He can do things right. That's also with this guy. But Flint is also really a good one. Is he still writing? Fuck. Because then I can use the A one for that. And I can use just a lot of other buttons to open stuff. So that's kind of what I want. Because now I can actually do this. I'm not sure what a guy is doing. But I hope that he is... Now I can jump. Oh, he disabled everything. No, I can jump. That's good. Now I open this. And can I jump? I can still jump. Yeah, I have a controller too. Look! I have a controller too. But, you know, I'm going to be honest. If I can simulate that in game, hey, you know, you don't have that one, T. Oh, come on. Oh, man. That's not good, buddy. A controller is actually needed. Now, guys, I will tell you, I have both. I must say, I bought Expedition 33, that game. Fitsy bunks. And I'm planning to play that probably on the stream too. I must say, I saw it and I was really like, damn, that's a good looking game, man. What do you think about that game, guys? Hey, what is your problem, buddy? Might I can solve it here. I can just say what the solution is. What is it, buddy? Where do you need help with? I'm not a Roblox studio guru, but I know things. What is your question? He is on YouTube, guys. So for who that is wondering, I have 2 chats open. Oh, I've still my PlayStation 2, man. With all the God of War games on it. I actually love that, man. I think we have even in the store a PlayStation 2. If I am remember correctly. He is working. I actually played with that one. So yeah, Fitsy Bunks, what is your problem, buddy? You can always say your problems there. So in my game, the save data is had to be working for 3 and 4 months. And we need setting it up. We have all settings set correctly, and we have 9 different systems running, but none of them work. Is that mean the possibility that they just conflict with each other? I mean, that's a possibility. But for 3 or 4 months, that's a lot, man. Uh, my adv- my advice is Fitzy Bunks. I'm not a script guy, but what I always learned with making games, and when you have issues, go back to the basics. Go back to just one system. When you have that to work, yeah, the problem is when you have too many scripts running up and down, you actually have what I kind of remember. You have one data storage thing, or how you call it, and basically you put everything in there. You only call the functions and that kind of things, if I'm correctly. Do I say that correctly, EG? Uh, because that's something what is really important. You need to have one thing that is functioning first. Yeah, he is running 9 at a time, EG. So that's kind of why I say go back to one. So that's kind of why I'm saying it. He's running 9 different systems. The thing is also with systems, especially when you have 9. Um, name them differently. Name them differently with all this stuff. Because when you have the same names in data storage, they actually can conflict with each other. It's kind of like when I have a teleport and I have two parts with the same name. Uh, it acts making having a conflict and just disable both of them because they are fighting in the code. That's kind of what Roblox is doing with code. That's kind of what I noticed. They just disable it and say, okay, well, that's just not working. That's it. So that can be also a thing. So everything what you do in your system need to have a different naming. Uh, that's kind of how it works. So, and that's it basically. And yeah, and a friend of mine actually on yeah on Twitch is saying you can do storage for everything. So you for each thing. Um, so yeah, hope is not lost. But the naming is very important, especially with coding. What you do inside, what you going to do in there, like skills or whatever. That they have a different naming. And like I said, I'm not a script guy, but I know a few things, yes or no. And let me see. I'm still jumping. Did I still jump? Did I actually replace this? Uh, yeah. Oh yeah. I want to check this one out. So let's see. Uh, X. Welcome to my thing, buddy. I mean, I can model a bit, but uh, I mean, I can model if I want to, but it's only yeah. A is still there. Bloody hell! I need to put my menu a little bit higher. Let's do that first. That kind of annoys me. Na, 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 na. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Is this the middle? That's the middle. I still need to add more to it, but I'm not going to do that today. The only bad thing when I try my games, yeah, modeling. Oh man, I mean, I know a little bit. I know modeling a little bit. I must be honest, but I never did that serious. If I want to say it like that, I'm always uh using different things. If I want to say correctly, I just model in here in game. I mean. Only for the special curves and that kind of stuff, yeah, you need to use Blender or Unreal Engine. Then you get the result what you want. But yeah, that's basically the thing, man. So that's working. Uh, Jump was still happening there. I kind of like that the is really slow. Now, guys, I was using a Chat GTP, but yeah, only yeah, the pro version is down for me, or I need to get up in the night on 2 a.m. Then I can use it again, but I'm not going to do that. I still need to work the next day. I'm actually wondering what the guy is saying right now. Uh action. Dude, you type very, very, very fast. I mean, but I will tell you guys, I have already more accomplished with this guy with the same script what ChatGTP gave me. He changed it actually. Also, I typed something wrong in there, a typo. So ChatGTP has it actually right. So yeah. He's doing it now differently. You see that? You see this? He's doing this different. He's doing that different than what I have in here. Look. He's doing it more. He's doing it differently. Now the good thing is, guys, I can actually use this script. I can use this script all the time now, and the reason is I don't really need to have the teleport system, if I'll be honest, for this. So I can just get rid of those if I don't need them. I mean, where is the thing going? Oh, here. This I can delete when I don't need it, actually, basically. So that is good. Is he not missing something? Is he saying the right stuff? Yeah, he does. Yeah, he does. Alright, that's working. Yeah, that's actually working. I love what I'm seeing. So, he did actually do it differently now. You really do it differently right now. So now I can actually. What? I don't want to use button A in there. Yeah, for enabling it, but not for that or X. I mean, come on, dude. Now I can just open my menus. So I can actually use that button A now. That is my whole thing. Alright. 116 60 lines? I'm actually pleased to see that we have accomplished more code. Yeah, I get a little bit jelly about this, guys, to be honest. I got really a little bit too jelly about this. But I kind of like that this is working now. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm very, very pleased of this. I just want to press A. And it's still there, you dumb ass. I really want to fix this. Before the stream is ending, we got this working. Did we not do that? He's actually doing that on another way? An input begin event? The what? Is that even possible? I mean, I, I never, I never, I think I never saw that one. He's adding more to it. Again, that's sync. But where is that disabling? Where is that He's adding a ton of more stuff in there. It's kind of like, oh yes, come on, let's put everything in there and hope that it is working. Well, we're going to test that, buddy. We are really going to test that, buddy. Not the PC users. I'm actually wondering what he's going to say if I say that. I said it really multiple times. I actually did that in the script as well. That I want to see. That I actually want to have that button to use that as confirm. The reason is The reason is, guys, otherwise I have really too many buttons in there, if you know what I'm saying. So that is the thing. How is he doing this again? He not what? What is he doing? The what? And where is then A? I mean, where's that button then? I don't know what that guy is doing, but I don't know what he is doing. That is the whole thing. Oh well, is that if that is working, I'm quite happy about it. But I really love. He's not always showing this, but I think it's all right. I think. So let's put this back. Uh, I, I really need to say this is actually working, guys. So still jumping. So I is confirming in menus, and X is actually opening this. Huh. So that is completely a thing, guys. So no, I cannot do anything right now. Ugh. Ugh. All right. I don't like that. But I can do a lot more talking than this guy. Well, we got another one as well. He is doing more. The jumping need to be disabled for the controller. Can use the same button for confirming the button choice. And that in the full code. He's not changing anything. But he's actually doing it quite good. He's clean. Correct. Yes, disabled actually. False. He's actually doing that here as well. Connect. All right. Let's save this first to a file. Teleport works. Lobby. I think the other guy did that exactly the same. I think. Hey, see you next time, buddy. I didn't saw your message, but oops. Now he can still jump. And he can still jump. So basically saying it is not possible. No! Ah, I don't want that. So basically saying my teleport thing needs to be a menu instead. Where you can do everything. So that's the only thing what I can think of. That's really the only thing what I can think of is making it bigger. Because it's for PC users, it's for console users. So it's basically always a big screen or even bigger. So I'm kinda disappointed, by the way. I'm kinda disappointed on the usage, but I'm quite happy on the results. I must be honest. So yeah, I'm kind of, I'm kind of happy that this is actually working, guys. So, so I really love that. It is working, guys. I'm happy. I'm very happy, actually. So let's play this just in the game, the real game. As soon I actually open the game up for beta testing, see the game in full potential. Uh, but there is a but actually. Uh, I will keep it private or whatever. So only a select few can come. So if you want to come there, you need to sign up for that, for coming into the teams. So we can actually test some stuff out in here. So that will be actually really great. And so yeah, we really need to test the games out on the state on how it is right now. So everything is working. Playing an actual game and see what it actually does. So we are kind of on a beta testing too with gaming. But I know that we need to have, yeah, at least our my programmers in there, so they also can see, hey, when something is missing, they can see that what is going on there. So I hope that they actually going to play the game as well. But let's see first. Let's edit. Let's edit those selections first. We need to make those invisible. Also, I need to see show indicator rotation. It's going there. I don't want that actually. We need to scale this a little bit up, just a little bit, and I want to have it from here, from the lobby side. And the reason is, that's a lot better than just randomly jump here in the middle. I don't want that. Uh, that is not great. But everything is working, so we love this. So let's plant this in here. So let's get you in this position. So everything works like it's supposed to be. Also, we need to make that transparency so you don't see anything. And also, of course, can collide is need to get off. Can touch. Sure, I can keep it on, but it's not very needed. So that's query. No, touch can be off. I don't really need that. Uh, Height orientating. Thank you. Let's do that in here. We can actually make that on this spot in here. So let's show the indicator where the orientation is. Is it there? That's wrong, man. That's really wrong. Oh, shit. Actually, I want to have you in here. Let's drag that guy a little bit more there. Let's take that more in the middle. All right, I actually don't mind that. Let's have that there. Does it need to be bigger? Nah, it's okay. It's just a spot to go into. So that's actually really good. Let's make that orientation gone again. We don't need that now. We need to make transparency. So I kind of like that, guys. It looks actually really good. I'm going to be honest on that. That looks really good, by the way. Uh, is everything anchored? That will be very smart. So let's go first to that one. Let's see what we're having here. Oh yeah, that was the thing. Orientation is not very good, so we need to have that somewhere like this. The place will be changed, by the way. Don't worry about that. We still need to add some stuff in there in the corners. We actually need to make something cool so that people can sit down. So we actually need to make it perfectly. So that's good. So let's do that in here as well. Show indicator. Oh yeah, that guy. For this one, I actually don't know where because this is kind of a big area. I want to do something big in here. So people can actually, yeah, having a great time in this place. So I'm not very sure how I'm going to do this in this section. I have really some big plans on this area because that's actually not a bad area to be. Or I'm even thinking for making this as for player 2 and then somewhere in the middle is something cool where you can sit down. I can actually make that as well. But I kind of like this piece. I kind of enjoy what it is. Uh, yeah, I can really say this is really good. Yeah, I really enjoy this. So yeah, like I said, I really like what I'm seeing in here. I don't know why. It is really just a cool thing, guys. Yeah, I might need to change this one here. Actually, I need to delete this one. I don't going to use this. Let's put that. Let's put this one in here. Let's put this one a little bit more down there. Let's hide that guy. And let's do the transparency again. And we just have one button left. Now I also plan to make more things in there to interact with. I might even make something as a game inside of this. Well, we have the lobby still, what we can make. So that's actually really nice. So yeah, we actually doing it not bad. It's just a lot of stuff what we need to do, and so far I must say it looks really good what we are doing. Soon we need to do a ton more stuff. So yeah. I think I will keep it like this. And let's drag that one a little bit more forward. I think Bazooka Frenzy is not going to not going to be that big. It's just free for all, I think. So I really need to see how I'm going to do things over there. But I'm glad that I get my teleport system to work, guys. I'm actually very, very happy. So I'm very, very happy to see that. Of course, we are going to test everything in there with the lobby, so no worries. We need to test everything. That everything is actually correct. And I must say, this approach works really good, actually, if I'll be honest. I love this approach. It works like a charm. People can actually do a lot of stuff with this. And for me, I have now a thing to do here actually. And I don't like that. But that's it basically. I can make corners where with a bench with some trees in there because I have in the other side I have trees as well. I might want to add them a few here inside as well. And the cousin, I don't know why I have it, but it's still going away from the chair. When I'm sitting here, he's like, I don't want to be under you. I just want to go away. So, let's save this. I saved it actually. Let's close this. Let's close this one too. Let's close this one too. And let's go open to Roblox. Let's see what we have already. I'm not going to do anything, so let's do chip. Ooh, I love this start area. The orientation is wrong. So probably you need to see what is working, what is not working. That's crazy. So it's up there. That's nuts. Uh... I... what? This is the only one that is actually correct. Well, sort of. This one is also not correct. What the... So we still need to do a few things. That's fine. That's okay. I'm not very wrong at that. We only need to say, okay, when we are going from the teleport, you need to face this part. So we just need to number it. And that's it, basically. So nothing really happens. This is actually not bad. I actually love this. It means we can actually do, we can do socialize placements, socializing. So we can add actually some stuff in here. So we can add actually a place to teleport to. We need to make something in there. We have a corner there, but I'm not sure yet. I might I might erase one button and just place it in the middle. So you will spawn in the middle. So I'm not really... I'm kind of debating what I'm going to do. But for now, yeah, that this works. Oh wait, he's randomly things. So that's actually also not really that bad, but this works. I'm quite happy. I still need to do the orientation for getting out of this, get out of the teleport. So that will be the next thing. We're going to polish this a little bit. We're going to make some spots. We really need to polish a few things up, and yeah, we need to make the game good looking. That is basically what we are going to do tomorrow, making the game a little bit more better. We still need to make a lot of UI things, but I think yeah, we need to combine UI making and making this lobby more beautiful. Yeah, we need to combine that a little bit more, so we are not doing every day the UI design. So, yeah, I mean, it looks actually really good. I love that. And yeah, it's almost midnight for me. So I sadly need to go. In 7 hours, I actually need to go up. So yeah, I really need to get my beauty sleep. If you want to say it like that. Um, so yeah, we did actually a lot of stuff. Everything is working. Now the only thing what I need to fix is this. When you press on teleport, I actually see that this is hovering, but you start wrong basically. But that's okay, I think. So everything is working smoothly. So I'm really happy, by the way. Um, so that's actually really good. The selection is good. Oh yeah, I need to make this a little bit more black. So that will be actually really good. So that being said, I really thank you for watching, people. Yeah, you guys are awesome. You need to know that without you, I'm nothing, guys. So yeah, I really thank you for being here in the chat. And yeah, definitely you see me tomorrow. And then we are going to, well, fix this for sure. We need to fix this script a little bit for pointing out, okay, I want to face there. Um, so that is actually what we need to do. We're going to add an extra part in there as facing, as orientation. Uh, I like that more than just putting it into the code. So that makes for me also a little bit more easier, if you want to say it like that. Um, so yeah, let's have some fun tomorrow, and yeah, with creating some places in here. We're going to model something. We need to model a few things in here, and also we're going to brainstorm on other things together, and we're just going to have a great stream, and that's what we do together. So I will tell you guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow with another stream. Like I always say, be chill, be relaxed, and always be yourself, whatever you do in your life. And I see you tomorrow with another stream. Goodbye, folks. Have a great day. Have a good night, or have a good morning. Goodbye.